You said never let me go.
So in this video we are going to see the aspect ratio offered by the Pocket 2, where it allows you to capture into 16:9 YouTube mode for videos with different resolution 1K, 2K and 4K. But for photos it offers a 2 where 16:9 and 4:3, and it offers you a different timer from 2 seconds to up to 7 seconds. So I feel this Pocket 2 offers you a nice feature into compact thing where it will be a very useful for a solo creator like me to capture using a timer. To understand the detail how to do the settings of this aspect ratio, where you should be into photo mode and then tap on the photo icon where you can easily select the 16:9 and 4:3 mode and capture your photos. So let's see some comparison.
You said never